Hey everybody, Matt here at the all-new Black Jack Harley-Davidson. Want to talk to you a little bit about our contest bike. As you know, we're having a contest with the other 5 stores that are in our dealership family. Every one of the stores picked a bike. We took a poll with our customers and with our employees here to figure out which bike we'd be doing. And we decided that we're going to work on this Road Glide Special. I've got here with me David, who's our assistant service manager, and Aaron, crack technician down on the end there. And we're just going to recap for you a little bit about the decisions that we made, the things that we were doing, and a little bit about what it's going to look like in the end. We talked about several different models, but the Road Glide has really been super popular lately. It's rivaling the Street Glide, which was our previously most popular model, and we decided that we give the Road Glide a chance and see what happens. Essentially, we came together and said that there's some things that we just believe are table stakes. We needed to do something with the wheel. I knew that we wanted taller handlebars on the bike, and we had actually looked at a bike in the back that a customer had dropped off, a really slick Road King, and it had a fender cover on the back, and we really liked that look. During the course of the conversation, kind of what had happened is everybody contributed, everybody had ideas. Dave thought the lowering the fairing, there's a kit that they make that lowers it. It makes the whole bike look lower, but it doesn't affect your ride height or your suspension travel. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to give that a try as part of it. We had talked about an aftermarket fender kit, and Aaron had mentioned that they make a CVO fender kit, and it puts the lights right in the side, and it's factory fitment, but yet it's absolutely similar to the aftermarket look. We wanted to make sure that we kept the bike warranty compliant. We've got some cool exhaust that's going on it. And we decided that maybe what we do at the front end is we put a fat front tire kit on. Remember the size of the tire?
180.
180 front tire. So you're looking at a pretty aggressive front tire. It's still 19-inch diameter like the stock one, but it's a big wide one, and it comes with a different fender. So the big thing this week is Aaron's going to be blowing this apart. We've got the majority of the parts here. We've settled on a paint scheme for the motorcycle, and it's to do that Richard Petty tribute. So it's going to be the light blue color with a kind of an orange and red inset panel and some 43 and STP logos on it. We decided we're going to do those in vinyl, and that way if it's not somebody's cup of tea, when we go ahead and sell the motorcycle, if they wanted to, they were able to remove those or to change them up to change the look. So with that, I guess that's kind of the plan, and we're real excited to get started on it. So we're going to take some more videos as we go and see how it goes.